Found an IBT file left over from a software installation? This is a temporary file created by InstallShield during application setup. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these InstallShield temporary files. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure IBT formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my #1 choice near the end of this guide. An IBT file is a temporary file created by the InstallShield software installation utility during the setup process on Windows. Users typically find these files in their temporary folders after an installation is completed or has failed, and they are often trying to determine if the file is safe to delete to free up disk space. This is a binary data file used internally by the installer to track installation state, unpack components, or store rollback information. Its structure is proprietary and designed for transient use, prioritizing speed and efficiency for the setup process rather than user accessibility or long-term data storage. The designated application for the IBT file is InstallShield from Revenera. Windows cannot verify the digital signature of this file type natively. Windows relies on temp files briefly, but they generally become unnecessary afterward. Your key initial action, right-click the IBT file and select Open With. If InstallShield is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the IBT file opens. If you still can't open the IBT file, it's okay. Since the primary method failed, the error is likely internal. Immediately begin these 3 essential checks to diagnose the file's integrity. First, letting installer manage. IBT files are managed automatically by InstallShield setup processes. Don't manually open or modify these files during installation, as it can disrupt the setup. The installer handles creation, use, and cleanup of IBT files transparently as part of normal software deployment workflows. Next, cleaning stale files. If IBT files persist after installation completes due to setup errors or interrupted installation, safely delete them using Windows Disk Cleanup or by manually removing from temp directories. The temporary files no longer serve a purpose after installation ends, and removal frees disk space. Finally, troubleshooting installation. If you encounter IBT files alongside installation errors, check setup logs for failure details. Restart the installation after cleaning temporary files, and ensure adequate disk space and permissions. Persistent IBT issues may indicate corrupted installer files requiring fresh download from the software vendor. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.